Prince Harry and Meghan Markle's latest attack on the royal family could force King Charles to strip the couple of their titles. The Sussexes have released an explosive trailer of their potentially imminent Netflix series in what royal commentators describe as their latest attempt at upstaging the Prince and Princess of Wales. King Charles could finally execute his royal power, as Harry and Meghan prepare to once again unleash their truth. Editor-at-large at Mail on Sunday Charlotte Griffiths told LBC, "I think this is going to be the King's, first real test, and I think H is going to have to get quite serious because H is really soft when it comes to the boys. H is a loving father." LBC's radio host Nick Ferrari reacted, saying he would be sobbing every day if this happened with his children. Ms. Griffiths continued, "But I think this is the first major thing that's happened since Charles became king, and now H is going to have to do that thing that we all know the Queen had to do many times in her reign. It is to choose between being a monarch and a father. I think H is going to have to be quite firm, and H is going to have to go monarch on this." Asked to elaborate on what being monarch means in practical terms, the royal commentator said, "He might have to take action and strip them of their titles. H is basically going to have to choose William's side because William is the future king," which said essentially means, this must end, cut him off. However, the king would need to seek permission from Parliament before being able to formally remove the Sussex title from his son.
Thank you.